Hey guys, Mr. Kaz here, and this video is going to show you how to insert a drawing into your Google Doc. Plenty of reasons why you'd want to use that, whether you want to insert a picture, whether you want to insert a chart, or whether you want to insert special icons. You can do all of those things using Google Drawings or just inserting a drawing. So let's go to Insert first. Pull down this menu. We're going to go to Drawing. And you're going to see this is the backdrop. This is our template of a blank drawing. And we have some things here you can add, you can redo or undo. You can magnify. When you want to just select something and move it around within the drawing, you can use this. You can insert lines, just like that. Or you could choose the kind of line. Maybe you want an arrow. And you can see there's lots of functionality here. You can choose the line end. If it's going to be a circle or a hollow, you can choose how thick it's going to be. Lots of custom options here. Obviously, you have some things here where you can kind of do a drawing, or you can connect some things. There we go. Let's go back up and see what other things we can do. So those are lines. Let's go back and let's undo that. There we go. Okay, let's go look at some of the shapes that we can add. So you're going to see here we have all of our shapes. We have some numbered shapes. We have some special icons. Thunderbolts. Looks pretty cool. Maybe you want to make that yellow. We'll fill that up with yellow. Let's see some other shapes. We have some callouts. Obviously, you can use those as like speech bubbles. So you have some other shapes here and some icons. Some arrows. Here's your different options for arrows if you want to insert an arrow into a document, depending on what you need. There we go. Maybe you want to make this arrow red. So we're going to go up here to fill color. We're going to change that to red. All right. Next, we have our callouts. This is great if you want to have your students create kind of like their own comic book, or if you want to create something interesting for your students. Here's kind of a scroll. Let's see what that looks like. All right, cool, and it's kept the red background. Let's make that white because we're probably going to want to type in that scroll, right? And maybe you want to have your students write directly in their Google Doc. All right, let's move on. We have equations, so if you want to add any kind of math equations, you can do that, and you can make them as big or small as you want. Okay, you can add text directly into a Google drawing, like that. You can add pictures. So let's say if you were choosing, let's choose Google search. Let's see what pops up when we see tree. There we go. And there's our tree. And it's a clip art, so we can move it around. Let's make that a little bit smaller so it fits in here. All right. Very good. So we can add images. We can change line color. We can change line weight. Lots of custom functionality with this, and you can make it look really cool too. You can decide if things are in the back or in the forward. You can bring things forward if you wanted to. So let's order this tree. Let's bring this forward, bring to the front. Now the lightning bolt will be in front of the scroll. And so when you're ready to insert, you're going to save and close, and it's going to embed that directly in your Google Doc. And if anyone wanted to edit this, say a student that wanted to type in this, they would just click that, and then it's going to bring them to this screen, at which time they're going to be able to edit it. So there's plenty of other cool stuff that I've seen. I've actually linked a link to around 40 templates for graphic organizers created with Google Drawing that you can see in your Google Docs Bootcamp. All right, enjoy.